Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a practical guide on how to transfer BNB from your Trezor wallet to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, knowing how to move your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to diversify your storage options or just switch things up, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring BNB like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure both your Trezor and Tangem wallets are set up and connected. In 2025, Trezor might have updated its interface for better security, so double-check for any new firmware updates on the Trezor website. Once you're good to go, open your Trezor Suite app or device and navigate to your BNB holdings. You'll want to confirm that you have enough BNB to cover the transfer fees. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't free. Next, switch over to your Tangem wallet. This hardware wallet is super user-friendly, so pull up the app on your phone or computer. Generate or retrieve your Tangem wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the address on your physical Tangem device for extra security to prevent phishing scams. Now, back to Trezor. In the Trezor interface, select the BNB asset, choose the Send option, and paste in the Tangem wallet address. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, double-check everything, and hit Confirm. You'll need to approve this on your Trezor device itself for that added layer of protection. Once submitted, the transaction will go through the Binance Smart Chain network. Expect it to take a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. After the transfer, head back to your Tangem wallet to verify that the BNB has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. And remember, always keep your private keys safe and never share them. There you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Trezor to Tangem in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying cautious is key in the crypto world. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay secure and happy trading.